Welcome back. COVID-19 has been top of mind for the last 2 years, and now it's a good reminder to take care of your annual health screenings. A good place to start is our 9Health fairs, and here to talk about that is Gary Drews. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're kind of talking about this. People didn't want to go into the hospital during the pandemic. They were afraid of the virus, understandably so, but now there are measures in place where it's safe to go back, and they ignored those screenings, and I think now we're starting to see the repercussions of doing so. Can you talk a little bit about how important it is to keep up with your screenings?
Absolutely. So, the comparison I like to make most is we take better care of our cars and our pets than ourselves.
Yeah.
If we don't take care of our car, it's going to stop running one of these days, and same thing's true for us. So the pandemic made it much harder to visit a doctor. A lot of people avoided getting care, and many folks, up to 94%, stopped getting screened during this time. And during that time, you're not discovering what could be happening for you.
Yeah.
So it's important to get out and get those preventive screenings, and the health fairs are a great place to do it.
So let's talk about that. First, the fair has a new name.
Yes, we've changed our name to 9Health 365. And the reason we did that is we recognize that health is happening every moment of every day, like right now. And so too can our preventive health. And so we wanted to recognize that you can not only get screened year-round, but we've developed a number of other services that are available now year-round as well.
So tell us about those services. And you mentioned that a lot of them are either low cost or even free. That's
right. So a lot of folks don't even know what a health fair is. The health fair is basically a pop-up event once a year. It's run by community volunteers for the community. It's completely of service to the community. And so you can go there and get screened and talk with a medical provider and the like. We also have available women's screenings at many of these events. We have COVID vaccines. And for those that have been to a health fair before, we now have appointments available, which is a big deal for us.
Okay. And where can people sign up and learn more about the fair?
You can go to 9health365.org. We're a nonprofit that, again, is here in service to the community, but 9health365.org. And you can actually get your screenings year-round now as well by visiting a Quest Lab service center.
And where are these fairs typically held?
Wherever the communities can find a place to do it. So you'll find them in churches, at schools, at rec centers, even where there's been there was one where they ran rodeos.
Oh, really?
And so wherever the community can find a place to do it.
So very accessible. Yeah,
very accessible,
important.
all up and down and around the state. We have a whole lot of them going on tomorrow and Saturday, but they run through May 22nd. This year, and we'll be back again in the fall.
All right, sounds like a good deal. Gary, thank you so much. Nice to see you.
You too.
All right.